How to turn on and set up Discord overlay. Welcome back to Let Me Help, and let's start with this tutorial. To begin with, you have to go ahead and open up your Discord application. You can follow this step in your PC or in your mobile device. Head back from the server and tap on your profile icon. Select the setting gear option at the top. From the list of settings under Activity Setting, you have to navigate to the option of Game Overlay. Under Game Overlay, you will see the option of Enable In-Game Overlay. You need to toggle on this button. Then you can select the toggle overlay lock. For me, it is Shift. You can select the avatar size to large and small, and also display names, that is always, only, while speaking, or never. When you scroll down, you will see the option of display uses. Set it to always or set it to only while speaking. At the bottom, you will see overlay notifications. Now this 4 rectangle in the 4 side display where you want the notifications of Discord to pop up. For me, I've selected the top left corner. However, you can select it according to your preference. And that is how you'll be able to set up and turn on your Discord overlay. We hope that you found this video informative and helpful to you, and thank you so much for tuning in.